Happy morning, my dear children. We are starting the lesson in organic chemistry. Especially today, we are learning about the oxidation of glycerol and oxidation of ethylene glycol. The oxidation is very important question about the glycerol and also the ethylene glycol. First step about the alcohol, that is alcohol functional group, alcohol OH group, the first step is converted into aldehyde. That's the concept. The aldehyde is converted into an acid. Don't forget that the OH group is converted into an aldehyde, that is CHO. The CHO is converted into acid. This is the basic concept. Don't forget the basic concept about the primary alcohol group. Okay, one of an alcohol, that is CH2OH. About the ethylene glycol, CH2O is CH2. Am I right? The first step. CH2OH is converted into CHO, aldehyde. This aldehyde is converted into, that is CHO is converted into acid. So we can write the equation. It's a very important question. And also don't forget that the nitrating agent, don't forget the nitrating agent, that is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. This is about the nitrating agent. Here nitric acid can be written as, what is the formula for nitric acid? HNO3. This can be written as H2ONO2. Okay, don't write HONO3, H2ONO2. While we are writing, we can easily replace the water molecules. Okay, anyhow, please take a note, all of you. We can write the equation. Very important question. Oxidation of glycerol and also oxidation of ethylene glycol. To learn about the oxidation of glycol and oxidation of glycerol. Okay. About the oxidation, all of you know that word. What is about the oxidation? Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen and also the loss of the electron. About the oxidation. Here, glycol formula. What is about the glycol formula? CH2OH, CH2OH. We are saying that one, ethylene glycol. Am I right? What is the formula for ethylene glycol? CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay. One more thing. You should learn about the molecular formula also. That also very useful for the problem solving. Okay. Anyhow, how much carbon is there? 2 carbon, C2. How much hydrogen is there? 2 plus 1, 3. Again 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogen. 6 hydrogen. And oxygen also having 2 oxygen. So the molecular formula for ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. The molecular formula for ethylene glycol is C2H6O. Clear? So this is the formula for ethylene glycol. This undergoes oxidation with nitric acid or alkaline potassium permanganate. We are using one of an oxidizing agent. Okay. Which oxidizing agent we are using is here nitric acid. That means HNO3. Nitric acid and also alkaline potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. There, this is an oxidizing agent. Here, first, what is happening here? Undergoes oxidation. The hydrogen combines with oxygen. The hydrogen combines with the oxygen. We get water, am I right? So, CH2OH is converted into CHO. Okay? CH2OH is converted into CHO. That is CHO. Here, CH2OH. So, the product is about the glycolic aldehyde. Product is what? Glycolic aldehyde. Anyhow, again undergoes oxidation. Again undergoes oxidation. Here, oxygen is added here. So, the product is COOH. What is the product? COOH. That is aldehyde is converted to acid. That is COOH CH2OH. Here already it is converted as. So the name of the compound, what is about the name of the compound is glycolic acid. Glycolic acid. Okay? And again this undergoes oxidation. This glycolic acid again undergoes oxidation. The same process. Here CH, this hydrogen combines with oxygen to form here CH2O. What's the product here? CH2O. Okay. Again, the product is also glyoxylic acid. Okay. The name of the compound is glyoxylic acid. Glyoxylic acid. Okay. Again, this undergoes oxidation. This undergoes oxidation. Here the oxygen is added here. So COOH, here also COOH. 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 Here the name of the compound is oxalic acid. Okay? Can you understand about that? What is about the first step? This is the ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. This ethylene glycol undergoes oxidation with oxidation agent like nitric acid and also alkaline potassium permanganate. Here the first step, the hydrogen combines with the oxygen to form water. So the CH2OH is converted into CH2O. So what is the name of that compound? Glycolic aldehyde. Glycolic aldehyde. Okay. Again, the first step is CHO undergoes oxidation to form COOH. Am I right? First step, the COOH. We get the CHO is converted into COOH. So the name of the compound is glycolic acid. Again, undergoes the second step. CH2OH is their product is on react the hydrogen combines the oxygen to form here the aldehyde. So the name of the compound is glyoxylic acid. Again we are adding oxygen to form oxalic acid. This is the first step. Next about the second step. What is about that? Here the glycolic aldehyde undergoes oxidation. Okay, glycolic aldehyde undergoes oxidation. Here the H2 combines with oxygen. H2 combines with oxygen. So CH2OH is converted to CH2. So the name of the compound CHO. Glyoxol. The name of the compound is what? Glyoxol. Here the glyoxol undergoes oxidation. This undergoes oxidation, adding oxygen. So the compound is COOH. We get COH, CHO. Glyoxylic acid. Okay, this is about the oxidation of glycol. One of the 2 mark questions. One of the 3 mark question about the ethylene glycol undergoes oxidation. Okay, please all of you write this one. Otherwise mark in the textbook also. Okay, which are the reacting agent. Okay, anyhow, this is about the oxidation of glycol. Okay, oxidation of glycol. And also one more point is about the oxidation of glycerol. It's a very important question. Okay, oxidation of glycerol. Can you say what is the formula for glycerol? CH2OH, CH2OH. Am I right? What's the formula for glycerol? CH2OH. CH2OH. Okay, this whenever you are writing the formulas, the bond must be carbon-carbon. Okay, carbon-carbon. The bond must be carbon-carbon. Don't put the carbon with the hydrogen or hydrogen with oxygen like that. Don't put. You should mention like that. Carbon, carbon, like that. Okay. Carbon, carbon, carbon. Okay. H2OH, HOH, H2OH. Clear? Like that. Okay. This undergoes oxidation. Glycerol. The name of the compound is glycerol. Glycerol. The name of the compound is glycerol. Here, what is the molecular formula of glycerol? What is the molecular formula? How much carbon is there? 3 carbon. So C3. How much hydrogen is there? 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 and 8. So hydrogen 8. What is about oxygen? 1, 2, 3. So oxygen. So what is the molecular formula of glycerol? C3H8O3. What is the formula? Molecular formula of glycerol? C3H8O3. Okay, this is the molecular formula. What is about the structural formula of glycerol? CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, anyhow, what is about the first oxidation? Alpha, beta, gamma, gamma, this atom is there. Alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, anyhow, the first one is undergoes oxidation. First alpha carbon atom. Okay, anyhow, first oxidation, H2 combines with oxygen. The hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. So we get the product is CH2O. CH2O is converted to CH2O. That is alcohol is converted to aldehyde. Previous video I told you that alcohol is converted into aldehyde and aldehyde is converted to an acid. This is the step concept. Okay, anyhow, first step, and alcohol is converted to an aldehyde. That is CH2OH is converted to CH2O. CH2O aldehyde. Second step is CHOH. Third step CH2OH. Okay, the name of the compound is Glycolic Aldehyde. Sorry, Glycerol Aldehyde. Glycerol Aldehyde. Okay, anyhow, now the aldehyde is converted to an acid. Aldehyde is converted to an acid. Undergoes oxidation. The CHO is converted to acid. That means COOH. Okay, COOH. Okay, COOH. Then the name of the compound is glyceric acid. Glyceric acid. Here, next about this glyceric acid undergoes oxidation. The glyceric acid undergoes oxidation. Here we can take 2 oxygen. The hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen combines oxygen to form water. The remaining oxygen is added here. So we get COOH. What's the product? COOH. That is, there are also COOH. Second step CHOH. Third step COOH. Clear? Add it up. Here we are taking 2 more oxygen. Okay. So one of the hydrogen combines with 1 oxygen to form water. The other oxygen will be attached here. So we get COOH. The name of the compound is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. Clear? Come down. Can you write the first step? This reaction is going on only the alpha hydrogen atom. That is the first carbon atom. First carbon atom. That means the first CH2OH. The alcohol is converted to an acid. Further, the first CH2. That H2 combines with the oxygen to form water molecules. So we get the alcohol is converted to an aldehyde. So the first step is CHO, CHOH, CH2OH. So the name of the compound is glycerol aldehyde. The next one, the concept is the alcohol is converted to aldehyde. The aldehyde is converted to an acid. So again we are adding oxygen. So the compound is COOH. CHO plus O gives COOH. Am I right? So the first step COOH, CHOH, CH2OH. The name of the compound is glyceric acid. Next, last carbon, that is gamma carbon. Here, the third carbon we are using here. Here both oxidation, here means the first we are taking two oxygen. One of the oxygen combines with the hydrogen to form water. Again we are adding one more oxygen. So we get again acid. So the name of the compound is about the tartonic acid. Which acid? Tartonic acid. Clear? Next about that. Beta carbon atom. Okay. Beta carbon atom on reacting. Okay. What is the product? Okay, here this hydrogen combines with oxygen. The hydrogen combines with oxygen. Already we know that the Glycerol formula. Not here. Beta carbon. Beta carbon means. Okay. Here, first formula about the Glycerol CH2OH, CHOH. CH2OH, am I right? CH2OH. There. This is about the Glycerol. Alpha, beta, carbon, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma. Here, from the beta, here hydrogen and oxygen, we get water. What's the remaining product? CHOH is converted into CO. Am I right? CO. So, what's the name of the compound here? CH2OH, CO. CH2OH. Dihydroxy acetone. The name of the compound is dihydroxy. Dihydroxy acetone. Okay, have it down. Dihydroxy acetone. This undergoes oxidation. This undergoes oxidation. Okay. Again we are taking oxygen. Okay, we are taking 4 oxygen atoms. Here hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Again adding oxygen. Okay. Here also the hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Again adding oxygen. So the CH2OH is converted into COOH. Okay. That is COOH. COOH. That is, we are saying that meso-oxalic acid. Meso-oxalic acid. Here, the meso-oxalic acid undergoes oxidation. We get carbon dioxide and COOH. That is about the oxalic acid plus CO2. This is not, if you know that one, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Clear? Plus CO2. Okay, oxalic acid plus CO2. You can be take like that. Okay, oxalic acid and CO2. Here, the tartonic acid. This undergoes oxidation. This product undergoes oxidation. Hydrogen and oxygen. So we get water. We get what? Meso-oxalic acid. Meso-oxalic acid. This is about the reactions about the oxidation of glycol. Okay, so one of the very important question. Please, all of you try to learn this question. If you have any doubt, please call me. Okay. Anyhow, these are the important questions. Next one about that. In between the glycol, we have a few more reactions. About the glycol, we have some few more reactions. That is, what happens ethylene glycol on reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. Very important question. How is 1,4 dioxane prepared? It's a question. How is 1,4 dioxane prepared? 1,4 dioxane prepared. Ethylene glycol formula what? CH2OH. CH2OH. This is I am going to write linear shape. Okay, that means starting with hydrogen, HO, CH2OH. The name of the compound is ethylene glycol. This ethylene glycol I am taking to one more moles. This HO, CH2, CH2OH. This one react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. So what is happening here? Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Here also hydrogen combines with oxygen to form, hydrogen combines with OH to form water. Hydrogen combines with OH to form water. Hydrogen combines with OH to form water. So we can rewrite this one. Start with oxygen. Oxygen take the center. CH2. Second one. CH2. Next oxygen. Oxygen. Next CH2. CH2O. Okay. We can give the number. Start with the oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 1, 4. So 1, 4 dioxane. Okay. How is the dioxane prepared? Please all of you write it. Very important question. Okay. Very, very important question. Anyhow, next one. How is 1,3? 1,3 trinitroxypropane prepared? Okay. That's the question. How is 1, 2, 3 trinitroxypropane prepared? Otherwise, how is TNG? TNG. What is about the TNG? Trinitroglycerine. Trinitroglycerine. How is trinitroglycerine prepared? First of all, you should write the Glycerol formula. What is about the Glycerol formula? CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. This is the formula for Glycerol. Here, Glycerol reacts with concentrated nitric acid and also concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid and also concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid formula what? HNO3. HNO3. Here the HNO3 can be written as HONO2. Here NO3 having, we are converted to NO2. So we can written as plus HONO2. Nitric acid can be written as HONO2. HONO2. We are taking 3 moles. HONO2. How much moles we are taking? 2 moles. Sorry, 3 moles. Okay. How much moles we are taking? 3 moles. The hydrogen combines with OH to form water. Hydrogen combines with OH to form water. Hydrogen combines with OH to form water. Totally we get 3 moles of water. And also what is the remaining product? CH2ONO2. 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 That we are saying trinitroglycerine. CH2ONO2, CH2ONO2, CH2ONO2. Trinitroglycerine, otherwise called 1, 2, 3 trinitroxypropane. Trinitroxypropane. This is about the reaction of Glycerol with nitrating mixture. What is about the nitrating mixture? The concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called what? Nitrating mixture. Okay, don't forget that. Anyhow, the next one is about the dehydration of Glycerol. Dehydration of Glycerol. Okay. All of you know about that dehydration. What is about the dehydration? Can you say what is about the dehydration? Removal of water. Am I right? Dehydration. Removal of water. Okay, anyhow. What's the formula for Glycerol? CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, Glycerol. This undergoes reaction with some of the dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent, that is concentrated sulfuric acid, and also one more is about that potassium bisulfate. Don't forget that KHSO4, potassium bisulfate. Okay, potassium bisulfate. Okay, here dehydration reaction. So how will you write means? OH combines with hydrogen to form water. Okay, OH combines the OH to form water. Hydrogen combines with O to form water. So, total how much water is removing? We get 2 waters also removing. So, what is the remaining product? Can you say what is the remaining product? The remaining product is CH2, CH2O. Okay, that is CH2, CH. Carbon valence, you also know that one. Valence is 4. So, make it here double bond. Here CHO. Okay. So, the name of the compound is acrolein. Acrolein. Okay. Name of the compound is acrolein. Next about the oxidation, about that already we learned that one, oxidation, and about the uses about that. All of you know about the uses of alcohols. That is first one is about the methanol uses. The first one is about the methanol is uses for paints, varnish, shellac, gum, cement, etc. Okay, these are the use of methanol, and also they are using for drugs. Drugs is for medicine. Okay, perfumes and formaldehyde. These are the manufacture of drugs, perfumes and formaldehyde. This is only for methanol. Okay, methanol. Methanol is used for the solvent for paints, varnish, shellac, gums and cement. What is about the other one? About the manufacture of drugs, that we are saying some medicines, important some medicine, perfumes and also the formaldehyde. Okay. Next about the ethanol, about paint and varnish. Second one, we are preparing some compounds. Compounds like ether, chloroform, etc. And about the transparent soap, very very important point. Transparent. Dyes. These are the about the uses of ethanol, and one more use is about that we are used as a fuel as a aeroplane, that is power alcohol. Okay, a substitute for petrol. That is about that power alcohol, and also preservative for biological specimens. Okay. Okay. Next about that, ethylene glycol. What are the uses of ethylene glycol? It is used for already now we learn about that TNG. That is about the trinitroglycerin. TNG. Okay. That's very important about that ethylene glycol. And about another one, antifreeze in automobile. Okay. Antifreeze in about an automobile radiator. These are about the uses of ethylene glycol. Okay. Ethylene glycol is used as an antifreeze in automobile radiator. Another one is explosive. One of them is explosive with TNG. That's trinitro glycerine. Okay, trinitro glycerine. Okay. Next one is about the uses of glycerol. Okay. It is used as a manufacturer of cosmetic, transparent soap. Okay. Glycol, glycerol, it is used as the manufacturer of cosmetic and also transparent soap, and also second is about the printing inks, stamp paintings. Next one is explosive, like very important about that. Explosive, dynamics. Okay, dynamics. Okay, we say very important question about that uses. Okay, try to learn about the uses of alcohol. That is one of the important 3 mark and 5 mark question. Okay, anyhow, one more question. We should be learn that one about the catalytic dehydrogenation. Catalytic dehydrogenation of ethanol. And one more reaction is about the esterification reaction. There's 2 equations also. Try to learn this question. Okay. Catalytic dehydrogenation of alcohol. Okay, here we are taking one of an alcohol, that is about the primary alcohol CH3 CH2OH on reacts with the copper at 573 Kelvin. Okay, here the concept, try to learn this concept. The alcohol is converted to aldehyde. Okay, so anyhow here the hydrogen group is converted to aldehyde. Okay, and about oxidation, so we get water, anide, water. Here we can be say that dehydrogenation, that is removal of hydrogen. Okay, removal of hydrogen. Hydration means removal of water. Here removal of hydrogen here about the dehydrogenation. So we get CH3 CeHO. Okay, acetaldehyde, otherwise called ethanol. Ethanol. Okay. Next one about the propane to what? What is the formula for propane to what? CH3 CH3OH. Propane to all. Propane. The second carbon having number 2. So propane to all. Am I right? Here this undergoes reaction with the copper at 573 Kelvin. 573 Kelvin. So here removal of hydrogen. So what is the product here? CH3 CO CH3 CH3 CO CH3. That is called as an acetone. Otherwise called propanone. Okay, acetone. Acetone is the common name. Otherwise called propanone. 1, 2, 3. Okay, propanone. Propan 3 carbon is there. So if acetone CO group having means the secondary suffix is about 1. Ends with the 1. So number of carbon 3, that is prop. Here having single bond. So ANE functional group is CO. CO you should be right 1. So we get propanone. Okay. E is also trop. Okay. E is also trop here. So we get propanone. Okay. The third one is about that tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. Tertiary butyl alcohol only dehydration reaction takes place. Don't forget that. Here the catalytic dehydrogenation, primary and secondary alcohol having only dehydrogenation. About the tertiary butyl alcohol, it is about that dehydration. What is about the dehydration? Dehydration means removal of water. Here removal of hydrogen. Here also removal of hydrogen. The third one is about the removal of water. Tertiary mineral alcohol formula CH3 C CH3 OH. One of the OH combines with hydrogen to form water, and we are using the reagent that is copper at 573 Kelvin, okay? 573 Kelvin, okay? Here OH combines to hydrogen to form water. So we get isobutylene, can be written as CH3 CH3 double bond CH2, isobutylene double bond CH2, otherwise called 2-methyl prop 1E, 2-methyl 1 2 3, 2 second carbon having methyl, 2-methyl, number of carbon 3 prop and having double bond, so E, 2-methyl prop 2E, okay. Next about that, esterification reaction. Esterification reaction is very important. What is about the esterification? That means alcohol combines with acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Alcohol combines with acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. We get what? Esterification reaction. It's a very important question. One of the fruity smell called the esters. One of the fruity smell. Here we are using one of an alcohol and acid. Okay, first of all I am writing the acid, one of the carboxylic acid, that is CH3 COOH. Okay, CH3 COOH. This is one of the carboxylic acid, otherwise called acetic acid. This acetic acid on react with ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2OH. Okay, I am writing start with the OH, so we can write HO CH2 CH3 the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. The presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, one of the hydrogen combines to OH to form water molecules. One of the hydrogen combines OH to form water molecules. What's the remaining product here? CH3 started with here CH3 COO C2H, other C2H5 or CH2 CH3, that is CH3 COO CH2 CH3. The name of the compound is ethyl ethonate. Name of the compound is ethyl ethonate. Okay, otherwise ethyl acetate. Or ethyl ethonate. Okay, this is called COOH group. COO group, that is called ester. Okay, ester, don't forget that. Ester, one of the fruity smell. Okay, next about the reaction with glycol with phosphorus I3, phosphorus triiodide. Okay, we get one of an unstable compound. This unstable compound again we are heating, we get ethene. Okay, this is also one of the important question. Try to learn this question. Reaction of glycol. What is the formula for ethylene glycol? CH2OH. Ethylene glycol and react with PI3, phosphorus triiodide. So here the OH is converted into adding I. This also OH is converted into adding I. So we get one of an unstable compound, that is about that CH2I. Okay. Here we are heating this product. We are heating. Here iodine is replacing there. I2 is leaving out. We get CH2. Name of the compound is what? Ethene, otherwise called ethylene. Okay. Next one is reaction with concentrated nitric acid and also concentrated sulfuric acid. Reaction of glycol with concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated HNO3. Okay, concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Okay, glycol, we are going to write the glycol CH2OH, CH2OH, the ethylene glycol. This ethylene glycol on reacts with concentrated H2SO4 plus concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3. Here the concentrated nitric acid can be written as HONO2, HONO2. We are taking 2 moles. Okay, 2 moles. The hydrogen combines with OH to form water. Hydrogen combines with OH to form water. So what's the remaining product? CH2ONO2. CH2ONO2. We are saying dinitroglycol. CH2ONO2. CH2ONO2. Dinitroglycol. Don't forget that. Dinitroglycol. Okay. And also one more reaction, very important question. Ethylene epoxide. Now we will prepare ethylene epoxide. This is one of the problematic question. In the problem they will ask about this question. How is ethylene epoxide prepared? Okay. Here ethylene glycol, the formula is CH2OH. CH2OH. This is the formula for ethylene glycol. This ethylene glycol on heating at 773 Kelvin, we are heating, the water is replaced, hydrogen combines the OH to form, water is replaced here. So the product is CH2O, CH2, CH2 oxygen. So here, one of our oxygen is conversion there, we get CH2O, CH2. It is called the ethylene epoxide, otherwise called oxide. We can write IUPAC's name 1, 2 epoxyethylene, ethylene. Not ethylene, epoxyethylene. Okay. XY. Okay, XY. Anyhow, our today assignment. I am giving the assignment. What is about the assignment? Try to write the assignment. Seven, oxidation of glycol. Second one, oxidation of glycerol. Okay, please all of you write the assignment. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.